Hello, I have a reservation under the name Eliezer Morales.
Good evening, Mr. Corrales. Welcome to Paradise Hotel. Please, I see your ID and credit card to make a reservation.
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. I see everything is ordered. Your book a standard room for 2 nights. Would like to assist with your luggage.
No, thank you, I'm all set.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Located the third floor. The breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the hotel. If you need anything else, feel to ask. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you, have a good night. Good morning, I would like to check out.
Good morning. Sure. I could your number.
Yes, it's room number 305.
Thank you. Did you enjoy stay with us?
Yes, everything was great.
I'm glad to hear that could use any items from the minibar.
No, I didn't use anything.
I just print your bill. Here you go.
Great, everything looks fine. Great, everything was fine. Here's my credit card for the payment.
Thank you. Your payment has proceeded. Here's the receipt. Would you like to assist with your luggage?
No, thank you, I'm all set.
Already. Then, thank you for choosing to stay with us. Have a safe journey.
Thank you, goodbye.